Hello, my dear friends. How are you? Fine? Yes, I am sure. We should be mentally and physically always say positive attitude. I am fine. Then you will be fine. Okay. Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande. Today is a Wednesday, 27th of March 2019. And of course, I am back in the serial Ayurveda for all. Let's the Ayurveda knowledge make viral. It should be reached to each and every person of this world in a very simple, lucid language, but at the same time in a scientific manner. My topic has been started as the types of Vata Dosha part 2. Today is a part 2. Yesterday I have started to talk about types of Vata Dosha, and I have said that Vata, Pitta and Kapha, these are the three important bioenergies. Vata is for all sorts of movements, it's a kinetic energy. Pitta is a thermal energy for every sort of conversion, change, transformation, digestion, metabolism. And Kapha Dosh can be compared like a mechanical energy for the nutrition, growth and maintenance of the human body. Now, all the three energies, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, exist at each and every cell. It exists at the cellular level, tissue level, organ level and systemic level. But still, there are some important places where it has a predominant, the role of action. Vata Dosh is predominantly acting at 5 levels. At the top of the body, that is a Prana, Vayu, then Udana, then Vyana at the heart level, Samana at the intestinal level, and Apana at the level of the lower part of the body, lumbosacral region, pelvic girdle, and all the organs in that pelvic girdle. I have mentioned about the Prana Vayu yesterday. This Prana Vayu is not the oxygen. Remember my words. Because there is a misunderstanding, confusion in the mind of the people because they learned in the school that Prana Vayu, especially Marathi medium students, Prana Vayu is equal to oxygen. But here, Vata phenomena can be compared with the nervous system and the organ or the centers in the brain which control all sensory and motor organs. Respiratory movement, especially inspiration, that means the respiratory and cardiac center situated in the brain, in the medulla oblongata, it can be compared with the Prana Vayu, a first type of the Vata Dosha. Today I am talking to you about Udana Vayu. Udana Vayu is also basically in the upper part of the body in my chest region. The main function of Udana Vayu is expiration. Inspiration through the Prana Vayu, expiration through the Udana Vayu. Inspiration, Prana Vayu, expiration, Udana Vayu. Prana Vayu. Udana Vayu is not the Vayu that I am throwing out. It's not the air that I am talking about. I am talking about the nervous control of inspiration and coiling back these lung movements. It's a passive. I know expiration is a passive movement, but it's a movement. It's a recoiling of the lung tissue because lung is a elastic organ. So that expiration is under control of Udana Vayu. Very interesting thing I would like to tell you. Prana and Udana, they are having the little bit opposite type of the action in the direction. I want to take oxygen inside, inspiration. I want to take the food. I want to take the water. So these are the Bahya Prana, substances needed for my life. They are called as the external Prana, by which I can maintain my internal life elements. Sharira, Indriya, Sattva, Atma. I have to make the nutrition to Sharira, physical body, Indriya, sense and motor organs, Mana, that is the mind, and Atma, soul principle. So I have to nourish all these internal elements which are my life elements. For that, I am taking external 3 important substances: oxygen, food and the water. So they can be called as a Bahya Prana, elements to need to maintain of life. So taking inside Bahya Prana is a function of Prana Vayu. And after getting purified air, after getting food, after getting water, I get energy. I am receiving all the knowledge. Then I get the memory to give the back. So, what is the main function of Udana Vayu? Uchvas, throwing out of the carbon dioxide. Okay? Next important functions of Udana Vayu: Vak Pravrutti, Prayatna, Urja, Bala, Varna, Smriti, Kriya. One by one. Vak Pravrutti, speech. Whatever I am talking right now, because there is a larynx, vocal cords, there is Broca's area in my brain which is giving stimulus to my muscles of speech. It is making the contraction and relaxation of the vocal cords. This is Udan Vayu who is making this. Vocal cords coming near and coming away because for the speech purpose. Do you understand? So Broca's area is a organ, is a nervous tissue which gives the stimulation to the muscles of speech, especially larynx. But before that, there is a vernix area. Remember the words, vernix. Vernix area, there the analysis of made. Whatever you are hearing about my lecture, whatever you are seeing Professor Deshpande, everything is grasped. And then, if I ask you, tell me the function of Udana Vayu. So after grasping of all the sensory information, the vernix area decide, okay, I have to answer to Professor Deshpande. That vernix area, that nerves go to the Broca's area, and Broca's area gives the stimulus to the sensory, that means my larynx. It's a vocal box, speech box. Larynx is a specific organ. So all this control is under Udana Vayu according to Ayurveda. Receiving knowledge, Prana Vayu. Expressing knowledge by speech, by my memory, whatever I stored in my brain, it is expressed out. So expressing out is a direction, is a function of Udana Vayu. Taking food, taking air, taking water, taking knowledge is a function of Prana Vayu. So Prana Vayu action is from nature to human body. Udana Vayu action from body to the nature. Express. Speech is express. Memory is express. Expiration is a throwing out of the CO2. Vak Pravrutti Prayatna. How I can show that I am doing the Prayatna? For example, weightlifting. So I am expressing out. My power is expressed out. Okay? So that is Prayatna. That are efforts. Efforts are always expressed out. Is it possible that I am doing like this? Quiet and calm. And I am saying I am doing Prayatna. I am doing efforts. Is it possible? No. Prayatna is always expressing outside. Efforts. Efforts are seen by the other people. So this is the function of Udana Vayu. Vak Pravrutti, Prayatna, Urja. Urja is energy. Energy is always exploited out. Energy for the movements of the hands, movements of the face to speech. So expression of the efforts, exploitation of the energy is a function of Udana Vayu. Vak Pravrutti, Prayatna, Urja means energy, Bala, strength is depend on Udana Vayu because it is helping to purify your body by throwing CO2. Do you understand? So energy, Bala is also depend on the Udana Vayu. And Smriti, as I already mentioned, perceiving the knowledge is the function of Prana Vayu. And expressing your knowledge through your memory exploitation is a function of Udana Vayu. My dear friends, Prana Vayu is giving you everything, oxygen, food, water, knowledge from outside to inside. And by utilizing that all powers, you are speaking, you are showing your energy, your color. Remember, color is a function of the Udana Vayu. Because if the body is purified by throwing the CO2, then only you can have the normal color and complexion. So that is also one of the function of Udana Vayu. So my dear friends, Prana and Udan, there should be proper coordination. Prana inside, outside to inside, Udan from inside to outside. So there is a well coordination in Prana Vayu and Udana Vayu, which are the types of the Vata Dosha. Once again, at the last sentence I will repeat, we are talking about types of Vata Dosha part 2. In the last session I discussed Prana Vayu. In this session I discussed Udana Vayu. Vak Pravrutti, speech. Prayatna, efforts. Urja, energy. Bala, strength. Varna, color and complexion. And Smriti is a memory. But Uchvas, throwing out the carbon dioxide and water molecules, it is a function of Udan Vayu. I hope you are taking the interest in this terminology of Ayurveda. So today I have completed types of Vata Dosha part 2. In the next session I will continue Vata Dosha types part 3. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead and I wish you all the best, but please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.